is released from incarceration.
Yes, sir. That would be fine.
Okay. Do you know if Mr. Rutherford has any other children besides?
I know of 2 or 3 other kids, but I think there's more.
Okay.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
And do you swear or affirm that the testimony you'll give in the cause before the court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Move over a little bit.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. You can put your hand down.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. Ms. Childers, are you the mother child who is the subject of this suit?
Yes, sir.
Peeking in every so often that
Yes,
we're seeing.
that's him.
Gotcha. Who is the father of Kate?
Taji Rutherford.
Okay. Do you know where Mr. Rutherford is right now?
He is incarcerated. He is in Amarillo.
Okay. And Your Honor, I'd offer into evidence the TDCJ information page regarding Tajay Rutherford. It shows that he is presently incarcerated with a projected release date of March 10th, 2035. And I'd offer that as State's Exhibit 2.
Okay. Ms. Childers, do you have any objection to the public record information regarding Mr. Rutherford's incarceration coming into evidence?
No, ma'am.
Okay. It'll be admitted as State's Exhibit number 2.
Ms. Childers, do you know when Mr. Rutherford was incarcerated?
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Okay. Before Mr. Rutherford was incarcerated, did he ever visit with Kate?
Twice.
Okay. And how did those visitations go?
They went well.
Okay. Did he actually, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Sorry, I was telling my son to stop.
Oh, okay. I thought you said they stopped as opposed to asking to stop. The visitations that Mr. Rutherford had, were they overnights or just for a few hours during the day? How did those go?
Just for a few hours during the day.
Okay. But everything went fine with those?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you think that there will be any problem with visitation in the future when Mr. Rutherford is released?
No, sir, not at all.
Okay. Do you have a good relationship with Mr. Rutherford?
Yes, sir. We speak. We text through the Securus app. We text back and forth, and I send him pictures and things like that. So we talk almost every day.
Okay. I don't know that anyone's ever explained to you what conservatorship means. A conservator is a person who has the rights like a parent has relative to a child, the right to direct their religious education, make medical decisions, decide where they go to school. Ordinarily, if parents are getting along, we recommend they be joint managing conservators, so they would share those rights between them.
Okay.
Other than you would have the right to designate the residents as, with you. Do you think that that would be appropriate in your circumstance?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Okay. Even though it's kind of difficult right now, I understand with him being incarcerated, you think joint managing conservators would still be appropriate?
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Okay. And has anyone explained to you what a standard possession order is like?
No, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Rutherford would not be able to exercise any visitation, of course, while he's incarcerated. A standard possession order would mean he'd have the right to visit the first, third, and fifth weekend of every month, longer periods during spring break and summer vacation, alternating holidays. 1 year you get Thanksgiving, you get Christmas. Next year, it's the other way around.
Yeah.
But of course, you can agree to visitation that's different than that at any time, as long as you both are in agreement. Do you think that that would work in your circumstance after Mr. Rutherford is released from incarceration?
Yes, sir. That would be fine.
Okay. Do you know if Mr. Rutherford has any other children besides?
I know of 2 or 3 other kids, but I think there's more.
Okay. And are those 2 or 3 other kids below the age of 18?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hey, stop.
While Mr. Rutherford is incarcerated, do you know if he has any income or resources that he could use to pay child support?
I don't think he does.
Okay. What kind of health insurance does?
Medicaid.
Okay. Now you understand we're here to set child support going forward. In addition to that, do you want to ask for retroactive support? And that would be support going back into the past, during a period where Mr. Rutherford should have been paying but wasn't. Okay, you have to answer out loud so that it
gets no, sir. Yes. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, so you just want to start fresh and go forward from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And let's see, and I see that Cass' name is currently Childers.
Mm-hmm.
Want to leave it as Childers, or did you want to change it to anything
I
else?
do want to change it to Rutherford.
Okay. Okay, just Rutherford, no hyphenation or anything?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, Judge, I'll pass the witness.
All right, Ms. Childers, do you have anything you want to add to explain about your testimony?
No. Sit up. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Do you have any witnesses or evidence you want to present?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. I'm going to find then that Tajay D. Rutherford is the biological father of the child before the court today. Childers will find that the birth records of the child should be amended to show that Mr. Rutherford is the father, and I will change the child's last name to Rutherford.
Okay.
And he shall henceforth be known as Rutherford.
Okay.
I will find that since the parents are communicating, even though Mr. Rutherford is incarcerated, that they have a good relationship with regard to the child, and therefore it would be appropriate to name them joint managing conservators, with Miss Childers, of course, having the absolute right to determine the primary residence of the child and being able to do so without regard to geographic location. I will find that the standard possession order should be in place and will probably not be effective until such time as Mr. Rutherford is released from incarceration. You're not required, of course, to take the child to see him. You may if you want to, but you obviously don't have to if you don't or that is inconvenient. But once he's released, the standard possession order will be in place. It appears that Mr. Rutherford, according to State's Exhibit 2's projected release date, is not for 10 years almost from now. I don't know if that's accurate, but if it is, the child will obviously be a teenager by then. So, all right. I'm going to find that Mr. Rutherford has no assets available to him during his incarceration to pay child support, cash medical support, or dental support. Those amounts will be set at zero. I'll find that based on Ms. Childers' testimony, she doesn't wish to seek any retroactive child support, and so that amount will be set at zero. I will order Ms. Childers to keep the child enrolled in the government medical assistance program, also known as Medicaid, as long as that is available to her. I'll waive court costs in this matter due to the fact that Mr. Rutherford is indigent as a result of his incarceration and therefore cannot pay court costs. I think that covers everything. Mr. Bunishek, have I left anything out?
I believe that's it, Your Honor.
All right.